Welcome to AvulKids. I hope you have watched my earlier video of popsicle sticks craft. Today we will make duck family of paper cups. For this craft, we will need two sizes of paper cup. One should be large and one should be small. A pencil and yellow and orange chart paper, googly eyes, thread, yellow watercolor, scissors and painting brush. So let's start. Now take your paper cup and color it with the yellow color. Let it dry. Color 3 big cups and 3 small cups. Now take your orange paper and draw the legs of the dogs. Like this. Cut out 6 such shapes. Now let's make the feather of the ducks. For these we will need yellow chart paper, scissor and pencil. Take your pencil and draw the shape like this. Like this. Cut out 6 such shapes. Now we will make the beak of the duck. To make the beak of the duck, we will need orange chart paper again and fold it and make a shape like this. Cut out 3 such shapes. Now open it and fold it from the middle. Like this. Take any sharp object like needle and make the hole in the feather. Now take the thread and pass it to the hole. And tie a knot at one end. Now take your paper cup and put the feather in the center and measure the thread. Cut out nearly this much of thread. Do the same with the remaining 5 feathers. Now take your paper cup and pass the thread like this. Pass the end of the thread from the side and take it out from the bottom. And do the same on the other side. Now tie these 2 threads. Tie a knot like this. Do the same with other 2 cups. Now take the googly eyes and stick it on the paper cup. Like this and let it dry. Now take the beak and stick it here. Like this. Take the legs and fold it from the bottom side. And stick them inside the cup like this. This is how your duck will look after sticking the googly eyes and legs. Now do the same with other 2. Now take the small cups and put it in the cup like this. Now your duck family is ready. Quack, 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 quack. You can use this as a secret place to hide your candies from your friends. Isn't this a duck's cute family? If you liked my video, please click on the like button and subscribe to AvulKids. Bye friends. Friends, do share your videos on avulkids.com. Subscribe here.